I guess today I'm gonna get the control arms out, maybe the rack and pinion. Maybe I'll try and get the axle out today. We'll see what happens. Shocks. I don't know. I'm just gonna start tearing into it, see what happens. I think it's pretty much just gonna sit here. Well, it kind of has to at this point, but the rafters and everything. I didn't get to them this weekend, obviously, but hopefully a week or two I'll get those taken care of. Maybe it'll warm up a little bit again. It's supposed to be cold again this week. I'm just gonna tear this apart. Maybe I'll mess with the axle. Maybe I'll see what I can do, take it apart. See about putting the new gears in today or some point this week. I don't know if I'll record that because I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't want to look stupid. This whole thing, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just guessing, but here we go. One of the little things I'm excited about is I don't need ABS or any of this stuff anymore, so I can kind of get rid of a lot of wiring that makes it look pretty messy. Kind of clean it up a little bit. Get it to look a lot simpler. And then once I get everything out of here, sand down the whole frame, paint it all over, get it nice and smooth, looking good. So just something as simple as ABS and all these pins that push into the frame to hold the wire nice and tight is all. Get rid of all that. It already looks that much better. And I'll have to move my block heater around, get that ran through once I figure out where everything else is going. And all this wiring for the HIDs for then the fog lights. I'm getting rid of the. One of them went out and I don't really want to buy another pair. I'm going to put some LED pods in there. Make it look a little bit better. And the light bar is going. I'm not going to run that anymore. Might put it on the F-150 behind the grill or something. Just because those lights suck. If you guys don't have one of these, I suggest getting one. They're super nice for all these like pins like this. Those Christmas tree pins that always break and get stuck and stuff. I mean, these just pop in there and pull them right out almost every time. Alright, so I just pulled my upper ball joint out and the whole knuckle and everything fell down. Look at my CV axle. That's what was left of it. It just like fell apart. Like this thing was gone. So after I put the lift that I did put on here, torsion key lift, my CV axle started binding, and so I lowered it down a little bit, maybe an inch or two, so it barely even had a lift on it after that. But even still, just with that like 1 inch of lift, my CV axles, when I turned, they would just bind up. It was the worst noise ever. You could feel it in the wheel, and I went through a couple wheel bearings that way, and then yeah, after a while I kind of just gave up replacing CV axles because I got tired of it. It was like every couple weeks I was putting a new CV axle in, and then so I stopped driving the Ranger to the point of doing a solid axle, but that's how far I let it go. So that was kind of funny. Alright, well, I feel incredibly stupid. I can't believe I just did that. I don't know why I didn't notice that was happening, or I didn't think of that ahead of time. You gotta unload the springs before you pull everything apart. I got pretty lucky there. Definitely gonna unload the spring on the other side before I start that one. That was scary. I feel so dumb. At least I recorded it though. I guess I'm in a little bit rushing here. I don't know why, but I should probably slow it down and think a little bit. But yeah, this side's pretty much done. Just gotta pull the lower control arm out. Pull the rest of the CV axle out. At least the spring's got no tension on it anymore, so I can undo that. Pull the rack and pinion out. Get rid of the hanging light bar that I started, and it's been sitting here for weeks. Alright, I got about all I'm gonna get out of here for right now. Next, I gotta pull the skid plates off, start tearing apart the torsion bars, torsion keys and everything, get all that stuff out of there. Definitely undo the other one on the other side so that doesn't happen. Like this side flings at me and almost kills me. But I'm making good progress here. I mean, I'm not trying super hard to go fast or anything. I even messed around, tried to clean up the frame a little bit. See that? So eventually I'll do that to the whole frame, undercoat it nicely before the new axle goes in. Yeah, getting the wheel well out helps a lot. It's a lot more room in here. Would have been nice to know that when I did my clutch and I had to pull the tranny out and barely get to those bolts. If I just pulled the wheel well out, it would have been so much easier. Good progress. I'm gonna try and film that. I don't know, it's underneath the truck. It's really dark in here with the garage door shut, but it's cold out, so let's see what I can film for you guys. Alright guys, what's up? It's 5:30, Sunday. I think I'm done for the night. We had to go over to her family's for dinner. It's really foggy and rainy out still, so but you can see me, the lens was all foggy. But I'm all done, both sides are done. I didn't bother filming that side because, I mean, you guys watched me do that side, it's the same thing, and I'm up against the wall over there, so it's really hard to film. But I unloaded the spring this time, so I didn't almost kill myself on that side. It definitely looks torn apart now. Just gotta get the rack and pinion out, then the center section, the front drive shaft, and then I'm done pretty much with tearing apart. I gotta cut all the shock hoops out and the control arm, little braces in there and everything. And I'm gonna have to build a new trans support. I'm gonna tear this one out. It's big, it's ugly. Make it a little bit sleeker. Wheel wells, bumper. Parts are kind of everywhere right now. But yeah, I think that'll be it for the night. Got a lot done in only a day. Half a day actually. So probably next vlog I'll either be tearing that stuff out like I said, or I'll be working on the axle itself, putting the new gears in and stuff. Pretty soon I'm gonna pick up a welder because I'm definitely gonna need that. I gotta weld a crossbar on the frame there, hold it together because the old one's all everything's getting cut out from the old suspension. So the frame will need to be supported, and then I'm gonna weld on the leaf spring, the perches and everything. But I think that's it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. Comment, let me know if you want to see more detail, because I know there's a lot of There's a few videos of solid axle ranges, but really no one doing it, which is kind of what I want to do with this. I wanted to document a lot of it. I know this I didn't really care to document. I mean, anyone can rip that out. That's not that hard. But definitely the axle going in, gears going in the axle, mocking stuff up. Definitely going to need to film a lot more of that. So let me know what you guys all want to see. More of whiskey. More of whatever. Let me know. Alright. See you guys.